Namaste friends, most welcome. So let's begin for this small but meaningful session of meditative yoga for emotional well-being. And today's element is innovation. Yes, in Indian term, innovation we can describe it as avishkar. Many of you aware about this term avishkar. It is actually a very broad term, but we can relate this term with innovation as this is the English term innovation. So today's element is innovation. Through yogic meditative practices, we will try to inculcate this very thought of innovation towards our subconscious mind to get the fruitful results in our coming life. So as today's session is on innovation and we are talking about mental well-being. Yes, meditative yoga for mental well-being. So to begin with, make yourself relax, sit comfortably. If you wish to sit on the chair, then it's absolutely fine. Sit comfortably on the chair, spinal cord should be erect. Yes, if you wish to sit on the mat, then it's also good. Sit comfortably, spinal cord should be straight. Yes, comfortable position is very important. Yes, we don't want to focus continuously on our body or sensations or pain or suffering of our body. We have to focus through innovation towards subconscious mind. That's why comfortable position is very important. So make yourself comfortable, spinal cord straight, perfect. We will try with first some warm-up technique, then we'll enter into the actual activities of meditative practices. So first I'll show you the first warm-up technique, how to perform it, then we'll practice it together. So as we all are sitting in comfortable position, if you are sitting on the mat, then sit in cross-legged position, Sukhasana, spinal cord straight. Yes. Again and again, making yourself more relaxed and more comfortable. Yes. Just giving command through your mind to your body and also to your mind that I am becoming more relaxed and more comfortable. Yes. So first technique, warm up, I'll just show you, then we'll practice it together. Simple technique, name of this technique is Kati Chakrasana. While sitting, we have to perform this technique. First I'll show you, then we'll do it together. Kati Chakrasana, sitting in cross-legged seated posture. Yes, Sthita Kati Chakrasana, seated. First, raising both hands parallel to each other at the forward direction, and after that, while breathing normally, simply we have to turn our trunk towards left side first, then towards right side, one by one, like this, with breathing normally. 1 and 2. Yes, so this posture is important while moving towards the back side. We have to move towards back side as much our individual capacity is. Yes, if you think that I can only move this much, then it's sufficient. Because we are trying to participate in the activity, forget about the perfection. Gradual way is more important. So the first basic technique of warm-up, we are just trying to make our body relaxed and warm. So the first activity, Kati Chakrasana, in sitting position is like this. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This is the first activity with breathing normally, and in later stage we have to add the breathing part with deep breathing, first with inhalation moving towards the left side, then with exhalation towards the right side, like this. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. This is the first activity. First with breathing normally, and second we have to add the breathing part. Ready? So sit comfortably. If anyone has a pain or any strain in their backside or in the spinal cord or in the spine, then they can simply skip this activity or perform it in a slower manner. Always remember the formula of gradual way. Yes, slowly and gradually we can enter into the actual activities. Ready? So start. Take your position. Perfect. Sitting in cross-legged seated posture. Spinal cord straight. Make yourself comfortable. Now you know the activity. If possible, simply close the eyes. Focus on your body. Focus on the movement of the body. It is very important and subtle and crucial part. Just focusing. Ready? So start towards left first with breathing normally. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Right and left. Right and left. Moving our trunk, twisting our body left and right side. Now add the breathing part. Add the breathing part. Inhale. Exhale through nostrils. Perfect. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax. Breathe normally. First basic technique just to make our body relaxed and just to release the stiffness from the body to enter into the actual activities. So breathing normally and sitting in comfortable posture, we'll move towards the next part